This very moment is a special one for all of us, and in particular you, who have been selected for these employment opportunities through our Vuvale partnership with the Australian government. I'm told this time around we are sending around 192 Fijians, and I believe this is the largest group out of all that is going. And today, I want to take this opportunity to thank my ministry officials, the staff, for their hard work day and night to make sure that our Fijian workers here meet all the requirements so that you all can go and work in Australia. Can we all put our hands together for our ministry? It's not an easy task, let me tell you this. It's not an easy task. I've been seeing them working day and night, calling all the selected workers, finding out details. When all the boxes are not ticked, they have to call again to make sure that all boxes are ticked. And I thought that I will take this opportunity today to thank them for me. The pandemic has impacted on many of us, especially our workers. And this is the window of opportunity during these challenging times. Therefore, on behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to sincerely thank the Australian government and all respective employers from Australia. My ministry also welcomes the agreement between the Australian government and its states, which took place on 21st August 2020, paving the way for the recommencement of the two programs, the seasonal work program and the Pacific Labour Scheme program. These job offerings are timely as the Fijian government continues to assist those who need help the most and also those that have been affected in their employment. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to the PLS employers for having that confidence and for believing in our people. The RWM currently has the largest numbers of PLS workers. As of today, they have employed around 792 Fijian workers in the meat works industry and in the various locations in Australia. To all of you, you will be leaving soon. Your government and your families have faith in you. That you will perform your work to the best of your abilities, and also that you will abide by your contract agreement that you have signed. For any clarification or issues with your employments, please take time to talk to your group leader, your supervisor, and if you think that things are not worked out at that level, you can always call back to the next department. owe our staffs at the embassy. But don't take law into your own hands, please. Don't go there and act smart. I want to sound a bit hard on this aspect because in recent weeks we had some workers who took the law into their own hands. We don't want our workers to go there and do the same thing. All those who are there, they have opened the doors for you people. Now it is your turn to go, work, and open the doors for the rest of the applicants who are here with us, with the NEC department. But that can only happen if you are disciplined, if you are focused, and if you can prove yourself that you are the best of the best. We already have the branding. It took some time. And we do not want to destroy that branding. We want to retain that branding at all times. And as I have mentioned, that under this program, Fiji has the highest number of workers. It's because of the branding. I don't know how many of you have read or heard in recent months when our Fijian workers volunteered to assist the Australians during the flood. Not only that, just last week, our Fijian workers were asked to be on standby because they were expecting flood. So they were already in good books. And if need arises, and if you are there, please do the same. So with those comments, I hope you all have gone through this 2 days training. By now you must be ready and ready to live. Please, this is the message that I always give to all the groups that go. When you go there, don't forget about your loved ones. Be in touch with them, because at all point in time, you people will require their blessings as well. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much, and may God bless you all. Pinaka.